Travis here again. Today I'm going to teach you some easy drills to work on your core bracing and your abdominal bracing, as well as treating some of your acute low back pain. So the first way we're going to do that is we're going to use my handy dandy mobility floss here. What we're going to do, we're going to wrap it around our abdominal muscles. You're going to aim for about your belly button level or just above it. And then what we're going to do is we're pull it around. We're going to create some tension on it. So we want a good amount of feedback from it so we feel a little bit of compression, but nothing too tight. Once we have that down, go ahead and just lock it in. And from there, we're going to lay down. You can do it on a bench, a table, on the ground. Anything will work like that. And we're going to lay on our back with our knees bent, our feet flat. From this position here, what I want you to really think about doing is breathing in through the nose, holding, and breathing out through the mouth. What we're going to do is we really want to focus on actually getting a full breath of air and work on our belly breathing. So we want to think about expanding that air into this lower abdominal cavity. So the way it's going to look is So as I'm doing that breathing, I'm really focusing on trying to put outward pressure with my abs and core against the band, as well as on my obliques, and then also really importantly against my low back. So we want to think about our whole core as a 360-degree tube. We want to create tension and expansion out rather than sucking in as we typically have done in the past. So again, bracing outward to create tension. So this is a really easy way of doing it. If you don't have one of these at home, you can also use a kettlebell on top of your stomach, or a weight, or a yoga block will work just well. Or if you're a power lifter, you can actually take your belt. We're going to put it on, and we're not going to wear it as tight as we would if we're going for a maximal lift or anything like that. We do want it pretty tight so we can actually feel just slight compression of it. We're going to go into that exact same drill, so same position as before. And from here, since the belt is really thick and rigid, I can feel that tension all the way around my body. What I'm going to do is as I breathe in, I try and fill up that area, that tiny bit of space between my body and the belt, and I try and press that belt outward, creating a lot more bracing and tension against it. This is also what you're going to want to do in an actual maximum effort lift, like your squat or deadlift. You actually want to put pressure out against the belt as it's putting pressure against you. So again, you're going to look. So as I mentioned, that's a great way to work on actually increasing your tension for your lifts, but it's also a really great tool if you're someone who just recently hurt your back, maybe you strained something or you're lifting or moving over, picking up something from the ground. A lot of times people, when they blow out their back, they really start panicking, they don't know what to do. This is a great step in trying to kind of calm your nervous system down, kind of get your back relaxed, and kind of just let everything kind of loosen up a little bit on its own. Now, it should go without saying, if you are having severe low back pain, or if you're getting numbness and tingling down both of your legs, please go see a doctor, seek some help. Don't look at some videos online, something like this. But other than that, give these things a try. The breathing exercises alone are great as far as just not only your abdominal health and your core health, but also your mental stimulation and learning how to actually start to meditate and mindfulness, things of that nature. So go ahead and give this a go, and let me know what you guys think.